Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your Windows 10 build and whether you run 32-bit or 64-bit, because the installer tailors components accordingly. Next, install all pending Windows updates. These often include platform fixes Directx depends on. Then, make sure your GPU driver is current from Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA. Outdated drivers block features. Once done, launch the Directx End-User Runtime Web Installer. It fills missing DLLs and feature levels, so applications can access DirectX 11 functionality. Run the Directx installer with administrator privileges, accept the license, and let it place necessary runtime DLLs into System32 or SysWoW64. After installation, restart Windows to ensure drivers and DLLs load cleanly. Then, open DXdiag, check the Display tab for Direct 3D feature level and presence of D3D11 DLL, and save the report for troubleshooting. Make sure your game or app is set to use DirectX 11 if it has options, and confirm the GPU control panel assigns the correct GPU to the application. Finally, if an application still does not detect DirectX 11, perform a clean GPU driver reinstall. For stubborn cases, use the to remove remnants and then install the latest driver. Next, inspect Windows optional updates and legacy components. Some older apps need Direct Play or specific NET versions to launch with Directx. If problems persist, produce a DXdiag report and consult Event Viewer for driver or DLL errors. This gives the concrete clues you need to fix mismatched feature levels or missing libraries quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.